Next example, find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So here asking find the sum. We have to find sum. So we have to find Sn value. What is our IAP? The first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So we are talking about 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So our AP is, what is the first positive integer which is divisible by 6? So we should write 6, next integer 12, next 18, and so on. This is our AP. What is the A value? A value is first term 6, A equal to 6, common difference D equal to 6. So we know the formula, Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. What is our n value? N value is 40. So Sn equal to 40 by 2 into 2 into 6 plus 40 minus 1 into D value is 6. 220. 20 into 2 6 12. 40 minus 1 39 into 6. 20 into 12 plus 6 9s 54. 6 3s 18. 18 plus 5 23. 234 plus 12. 6 4 246. 246 into 20, which is equal to 12. 2 4 8. 2 2 4. 4920. What is the sum? 4920. Next question. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. So here we have to find sum. We have to find Sn value and the odd numbers between 0 and 50. What is our AP? AP equal to odd numbers between 0 and 50. So first odd number 1, second term 3, third 5, and so on 49. This is our AP. So what is the A value? A value is 1, common difference 3 minus 1 2, 5 minus 3 2, difference is 2. What is our n value? We don't know n value, so we know an value. So an equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. A value is 1, an is 49 plus n minus 1 into D is 2. 1 plus 2 into n, 2n, minus 1 into minus 2. 49 equal to 1 minus 2, which is equal to minus 1 plus 2n. Minus 1 comes to this side, it becomes plus 1. 49 plus 1 equal to 2n. 49 plus 1 equal to 50, 2n. N equal to 50 by 2. N value is 25. We know n value. So sum equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term, a plus L. So n equal to 25 by 2 first term 1, last term 49. 25 by 2, 1 plus 49 is 50. 50 by 2, 25. 25 into 25. 5 5 is 25. Remaining 2. 2 multiplied with next digit. 2 into 3, 6. Answer is 625. So, sum is 625.